Alright, so got a lot of tools out here. So I am sitting in my 1986 Kawasaki Mule 1000. We got new hats at the church on Sunday for Father's Day. So I brought the Kawasaki home from the property, the deer hunting property. It runs good and everything, but we've got an event at the church, and we're going to be parking cars for the fireworks here in Taylor, Michigan, and it's a lot of fun and stuff. So I figured I would come home, bring the Kawasaki home so Pastor wouldn't have to limp on his knees getting surgery on here in the near future. And since I had it home and I had a Siren, check the Siren out, nice vintage old Siren, I figured I'd hook it up. So I used my Lithium Max Li-ion battery that was gifted to me by one of the companies that does stuff for videos, and them are good batteries, 2 for $54. I might put a link in the thing. But we took in, oh, don't need to start it, but I hooked the Siren up, got the old meter out, found me a hot and cold under the dash, found me a switch in my switches, and now we got some kids on scooters come by. And we might as well start it. So the old Kawasaki, she's been running good for us. And just having fun. We'll take it up to the church tomorrow. This weekend is the fireworks at Heritage Park. Hazel's up here, says she wants to go for a ride. Oh, good dog. And we're done, I think. If I do anything else, I'm going to take and run them wires under the dash, but this fat old man was under the dash enough today and didn't feel like trying to get them wire nuts twisted on good under the dash. Maybe we will, maybe we won't, but they'll be fine there for right now. So, been doing real well with the channel. Like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. It helps with the algorithm. There will be a link right here, I think. Click on that if you want to subscribe. And like I always say, God bless you and God bless America, and just do something. Especially the youngest amongst us, they just don't do stuff. I don't understand. So anyhow, like, comment, subscribe. If you see me around, say hi. I'll give you a sticker. And I enjoy this.